In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this cube-based abstract art mesh. This mesh might look like a simple mesh to make, but it's not. I have used a cube with 3 array modifiers, and duplicate them twice and put them into separate collections. Let's create a cube and add 3 array modifiers. We need to apply the modifiers first, and either create a wireframe mesh first, or separate them by loose parts. In edit mode, type 3 to face select, A to select all, and P to separate them by loose parts. Type M to put them into a new collection in object mode. Shift D to duplicate, and M to put them into a new collection. On the first collection, let's select all and Ctrl J to join them, so we can have a wireframe mesh. If we don't join the mesh first, the wireframe modifier will be applied only to the first selected mesh. On the second collection, I'll apply a new material to all the meshes by copying, and randomly remove the meshes. Let's use random select to remove the meshes randomly. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.